Hello woman, I'm Monica. And if you got to this video, it's because you're probably suffering from some of these hair problems like hair loss. You feel that the wires are not growing and you realize that your hair is lifeless. Well, then I can tell you that I have good news for you, and I will introduce you to the natural alternative to treat hair once and for all from the Divine Locks supplement. Therefore, I will explain you exactly Divine Locks complex works. The main benefits, ingredients, if it is safe, how to take it correctly, and if it really delivers what it promises. So watch this video until the end because I bring 2 alerts for you. Right? Good women, as we already know, as we age, our hair also ages together, and it is very common for hair problems to appear. The most common problems are hair loss, weak hair that does not grow, dull hair, and lifeless. This happens because from the age of 40, the hair loses the necessary nutrients and cannot receive enough vitamins and minerals to make the hair grow strong. The real cause of your hair nightmare is the cells of the dermal papilla that get compressed as you get older. These cells of the dermal papilla are part of the hair follicles, and they are responsible for providing all the nutrients your hair needs. As these cells become clogged and fail to provide the capillary nutrients, hair problems appear that you already know. That's why the Divine Locks supplement was developed to solve this problem that affects so many mature women, leaving them with low and sad high esteem. The Divine Locks complex works to loosen the cells of the dermal papilla and is packed with crucial nutrients your hair needs to grow thicker, stronger, and youthful looking. The blend of 28 ingredients was designed and tested to restore hair, make it grow faster and stronger with shine and more life. Among them are ascorbic acid, vitamin E, biotin, calcium, selenium, vitamin B5, goji cola, goji berry, hyaluronic acid, what column A, and other powerful ingredients. And don't worry, the Divine Lock supplement is 100% natural and GMO-free, developed with FDA-approved GMP safety standards, made in the United States. And it's used by thousands of women in addition to the US every day. Divine Locks complex is designed to be an easy and safe way to restore your thick locks. Unlike topical solutions, Divine Locks complex is not at risk of harming you. And how should you take Divine Locks? You take 2 capsules a day, preferably with meals. Take regularly and you will enjoy all the benefits of the hair supplement. Studies show it takes about a week for yourselves to see the difference. As the cells of the dermal papilla grow, more nutrients and oxygen will be able to reach the hair follicles. In the first month, you should see serious results. We are talking about reducing hair loss up to 80% or even more, leaving the hair thicker at the root growth in areas that you did not have hair, softer, silky, and young. Now I want to give you 2 important alerts, okay? First, even if it is very easy to treat with the complete Divine Locks, it is essential that you follow the treatment regularly to get good results and end hair loss and solve the problem that so much afflicts you. It is recommended that you do the treatment for at least 3 months. The longer you keep the hair treatment, the better results you will notice. Second alert for you who want right now to buy your package with the bottles of Divine Locks and start the treatment soon. For your complete safety, Divine Locks is sold only on the official website of the manufacturer. It is not sold on websites such as eBay, Amazon, and supplement stores. So for you to buy 100% securely, the link to the official website of Divine Locks is below the description of this video. Right. I hope I have clarified all doubts and helped you with the information about the Divine Locks complex. A supplement tested and validated by so many women, which takes care of our hair and leaves it healthy as we get older. I finish here. I appreciate